Hi everybody and welcome back to the How to Say Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the Equalizer preset of your Creative Pebble Nova speakers. And first we have to enter the application, which is called Creative, and here in this application we have to open Equalizer here. Now we have to tap here on this arrow and the name of the preset, and as you can see here we have a lot presets. For example, gaming, music, movies, footstep enhancer, acoustic, classical, country, dance, flat, hip-hop, jazz, pop, rock, vocal, adventure and action, R&B, Apex Legends. For example, as you can see here we have some games, driving simulation, Fortnite, League of Legends, Metal Gear Solid 5, and here we even have the bass cut, treble boost, bass boost, dynamic music, etc. To switch, we just have to tap on each and go back. As you can see here, we do have the preset for Marvel Spider-Man series. I don't know why it's not changed at all, but yeah. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!